Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to restore a deleted folder from Google Drive in 2025. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Next, log into your Google account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the same account where the folder was originally stored. Once you're inside Google Drive, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, click on Trash. On some accounts, it may be called Bin, but both are the same. In the trash section, you'll see all of the files and folders that have been deleted within the past 30 days. Scroll through and locate the folder you want to restore. When you find it, right-click on the folder. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on Restore. The folder will immediately be moved back to its original location in your Google Drive, just as it was before deletion. If you can't find the folder in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted. In that case, check if your Google Workspace admin can help you recover it, or look in the Google Drive activity section for more details. And that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted folder from Google Drive. This simple process ensures you can quickly recover important files and keep your work safe.